is everything you need to know, and this is the accuracy test I promised you guys with the review from this pistol that I did last video. Alright, let's get to it. We'll be shooting from 30 feet away at that target over there. You ready? Alright, let's go see how I did. I'm going to give it a sharp hit. I'm going to mark down where it hit the target. Here, show them the target. Alright, let's see. As you can see, there's good groupings here. Just around the 5-point mark, there's 2 shots made there. 1. There's another. There's a good grouping right there. A lot of bullets went in there. There's almost a hole there. See? There's 2 more bullets, and there's 1 more bullet. Alright guys, please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.